Understanding the soldering iron, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating term in the English language, soldering iron. This phrase might sound complex, but don't worry, we're here to break it down for you. So, let's dive into the world of practical tools and understand what a soldering iron is all about. A soldering iron is a hand tool used in soldering. Soldering is a process where we join two or more items together by melting and putting a filler metal, solder, into the joint. The soldering iron provides the heat to melt the solder. It's commonly used in electronics and crafts. Understanding the parts of a soldering iron is crucial. A typical soldering iron consists of tip, the part that heats up and melts the solder; handle, where you hold the soldering iron. It's designed to be heat resistant. Heating element, it heats the tip. Power cord, connects the iron to an electricity source. The soldering iron is not just a tool for professionals. It's used in various scenarios like repairing electronics, fixing gadgets, computers, etc., creating jewelry, making or repairing jewelry pieces, art projects, in crafting and art, for adding details or assembling components. Safety is paramount when using a soldering iron. Remember to work in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling fumes. Wear protective gear, like gloves and safety glasses. Be careful of the hot tip. It can cause burns. That's all about the soldering iron. I hope this video has been informative and helps you understand this useful tool better. Remember, learning new terms not only expands your vocabulary but also your understanding of the world around you. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.